In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a Zelle payment in QuickBooks Desktop. So to do this, first you have to add Zelle as the payment method. So we're going to go to Lists menu up top left, and then here you want to go to Customer and Vendor Profile List, and you want to click on a Payment Method List. Now here you want to, of course, create a new payment method. So to do this, go to Payment Method at the bottom and click on a New. Now in here, you want to go and call this one Zelle, of course, and then whenever you do that, you can just basically set the payment type to other or check. So we're going to just do other over here, and then I'm going to click on OK. Now whenever you do this, Zelle is going to get added to your list of payment methods over here, and then whenever you do this, you can then record the customer payment. So when a customer pays you using Zelle, you can record the money as an invoice payment. For example, you could go to Customers up top, and then from here you can go to Receive Payments, which is over here. And then whenever you do that, it's going to give you a bunch of different things. Here where it says Received From field, you want to select the customer's name. Of course, me, I have some random data in here. It's just some demos. And then you have to enter in the amount as well. So for example, we're going to do $10 over here. And then you have to set the payment method to Zelle, okay? So you have to go over here. And as you can see, when you click on this arrow down, Zelle is going to be over here. Click on it. And then, of course, you can enter in stuff like this. You can just click on Done over here. And then Zelle is going to be set as the payment method, just like this. And then whenever you've done that, you can, of course, check off the outstanding invoice in the list and then just click on Save and Close, and you're good to go, okay? So that's essentially how you can do this. You can then also make bank deposits if you want to, etc. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.